Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Eric, and today I'm back with another YouTube video. So let's get the backlights up first before we start. There you go. And if you haven't watched my video, as you can see, these lights in the back, these are just like LED light strips. So if you want to see how I put it up, you can go watch my last video. I'll probably link it down below in the description. But anyway, that's not the topic of today's video, because today we're going to be talking about Yeezys, and specifically the Yeezys I actually copped on Yeezy Day. So first off, we got the Sesame 350 V2s in a size 10. So as you can see, this is the shoe, this is the shoe, this is the shoe. Yeah, as you can see the tags here. I'll probably put like a close-up vid like around here showing you that you can actually see the chip inside of the tag, just showing you that they're legit. And I'm probably gonna show like a little video like on the side or something on my phone of like the confirmation of purchase of the shoe, just so you know it's legit. But yeah, I actually did get these Yeezys during Yeezy Day when Kanye re-released a bunch of old 350s, 500s, 700s, even 80 or so pairs of the 750s. So I was actually lucky enough to cop two pairs actually during that drop. One of them which was this shoe. So I actually did cop these two shoes, sorry, my bad. I actually have another pair of Landmarks here that I got from the drop, size 11.5, that I actually got from the official drop of the Landmark. I'm not sure which date it is, but I did get those on the day of the release of the Landmark in a size 11.5. Those were actually pretty easy to get for me because they were actually bought off of the Foot Action site, and if you guys aren't familiar with that site or any of like Foot Locker, Foot Action, anything that falls underneath that category, you'll actually know that Foot Action is like relatively easier to cop off of compared to like Adidas and YeezySupply.com, because there isn't like any wait line that you have to wait in. But yeah, as you can see, these two shoes actually look quite similar in color. You can say they're basically like the darker versions of like the creams and the statics, which I pretty much agree with. Like they basically kind of look like that. But yeah, so anyway, let's get back to what we're talking about. So actually, I did cop this pair of size 10 Sesames during Yeezy Day, and also this size 11 pair of Supermoon yellows. As you can see, they've also got the tags right here. I'll probably insert another close-up video of me showing like the confirmation of purchase over here, and also like a close-up video of like light shining through the tag so you can see that they're legit. Hopefully you can see it like that, but probably if not, I'll just insert another video like over this showing that. So yeah, so basically I was actually in England at the time when I caught these two shoes, because I was actually on vacation for 3 weeks in like Europe, and you'll see on my Instagram that, you know, I was uploading photos and stuff from the trip while I was there. And actually while I was in the bus on the way back from Stonehenge, I actually found out that Yeezy was like doing this drop. So, you know, of course, even though like hotel Wi-Fi wasn't the best, I definitely had to go and cop. So I was actually lucky enough to get a pair of, yeah, Sesames and the Supermoon yellows, as you saw. So basically it was like around midnight and stuff in my hotel room, and I was actually like, I got none of the pairs. I didn't get the statics, I didn't get the zebras, nothing. I had no luck before that, but I just happened to get in the room, like the waiting room, for the Sesames, and I actually got into the checkout. So I was so hyped. That was my first pair that I got, these Sesames. You know, maybe not the best resale right now, but they're definitely going to go up in price 6 months to a year, so I'm pretty happy about this. And another story for these Supermoons. I'll actually tell you about this. So basically, if you don't know, there's actually this Instagram account called Hype Resells, which actually gives you a whole lot of info on like these Yeezy drops. I always follow these different sites that actually tell you like information about the drop dates and stuff for like Yeezys and other types of shoes like Air Jordans. So actually I did see that there was like a pretty low stock on these shoes, like 628, and I know I'm probably stupid, it's like, it's a 500, it's not gonna resell well, right? But since I saw there's only like 628 shoes that they were releasing, or some number in the 600s like that, I'm like, dang, these are definitely having high resale. So the second I saw them up on the site, I didn't even check the resale, I just bought them instantly, and went to check after, hoping that they were gonna have half decent resale value, but you know, guess what? I got burned on that. So, you know, that's the lesson. Anytime before you go buy a shoe, you definitely want to go check the resale prices on it, because you know, you're gonna get burned if you don't. But anyway, pretty fire shoe in my opinion. I think it looks pretty good, but it's not something I'm gonna be wearing for personal, simply because I need to make my money back from this. Yeah. And so lastly, we got, not last actually, second to last, we actually got the Yeezy Landmarks. These I copped off of the day, as I said, the day of the drop of the Yeezy Landmarks, and yeah, I actually managed to get a size 11.5 because I was like waiting up all night, and since I live in California, I was literally on the site right at 4 a.m. so it was pretty easy for me to snag a pair in size 11.5, which is actually like one of the more valuable, larger sizes. I'll probably put a vid up here on the side or over this vid, like showing the current prices of like different sizes of the Landmarks. But yeah, this is one of the more valuable pairs of like the larger sizes of the Landmarks. So yeah, pretty dope shoe. As I said, it's kind of like a lighter tan color on the bottom. I don't know if you can see that or not, because my camera, I actually have like these bright lights just blasting on me right now, so I don't know, the colors might not be like what they look like in person. So basically when I saw the shoe on the website, I thought it wouldn't look that good in person, but having it in person, I can definitely say that isn't the case. It actually looks pretty nice in person, and you know, if you like the shoe, you should definitely buy it. It's fire. It's pretty easy to match with any outfit. You got any light colored outfit, just throw on a pair of light colored jeans, white t-shirt, throw these on and you're gonna be looking fly. So yeah, and also because I actually sold a few pairs of Yeezys, you know, I actually copped one shoe that's like pretty polarizing, I guess you could say. Like most people wouldn't like it, and you might have seen it in the background already. It's actually the Yeezy 700 in the Vanta colorway. I'll probably put some like B-roll clips over this, so yeah. And yeah, I don't know, most people think this looks like a dad shoe. I mean, like, I could probably agree with you, but I don't know, I just think they look nice, and I just like copped them for under retail actually on the local app called OfferUp, where you can get like lots of steals. But what you do definitely want to check is like have the person show you like the confirmation of purchase, and go into like one of those small like hype shops near your place and have them like have the shoes legit checked. And yeah, I got these for like $250, like dead stock, and I was pretty happy about it, because like I was actually considering buying these for retail off of the site, but I was like, nah, and I actually managed to get a pair of the blacks instead, so I was pretty happy about that. So yeah, as you can see, these are the 4 pairs of Yeezys I got right now, and pretty much like stories behind them. So yeah, I know it was like a bit of a rant, I don't know, I just wanted to put something out there so you guys wouldn't be too bored, because I haven't uploaded anything in a while because of like schoolwork, and I was super busy. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment, and see you guys in the next video.